Okay, hey guys, today we're going to show you how to add fractions with unlike denominators. You can add fractions with unlike denominators, so we need to make them the same. So we list a few multiples of the two denominators, 9 and 6, until we get the least common multiple, or the first multiple in common.
When you find the least common multiple, take that number and make it the new denominator. In this case, the denominator is 18, but now we need to change it. The numerator, look back at your new denominator, 18, and think 9 times what makes 18? 2. Now we multiply 7 by 2, which is 14. Same with 6. 6 times 3 equals 18, so we times 1 by 3. And now we have 14 eighteenths and 3 eighteenths.
Now that we have common denominators, we can add 14 plus 3, and it equals 17. So we keep the denominator the same. Now we're done.